Hello, kids! Are you ready to read? Today, we will learn a special word. It's mga. This word helps us talk about more than one. Subscribe for more fun reading lessons. Let's start. Mga. Again, mga. One more time. Mga. Great job. Mga means many or more than one. This is bata. Bata means one kid. Mga bata means many kids. Bata, mga bata. Aso means dog. Mga aso means many dogs. Aso, mga aso. Bola means ball. Mga bola means many balls. Bola, mga bola. Read with me. Mga bata, mga aso, mga bola. Your turn. Mahusay! Very good! Let's review. Mga bata means many kids. Mga aso means many dogs. Mga bola means many balls. Good job! Now, you know mga. Thank you for today, kids. Subscribe and let's learn to read together. See you soon!